buying it, we were frustrated by the highly entertaining videos that showed people using certain cooking devices and whatever with it. But what we wanted to know was how much work could we get done with it.
I use the Ryobi ecosystem of battery tools and charge them off the Jackery. This wouldn't work to support a large crew on a job site, but for us to work on our Airstreams on the road, it's definitely adequate power. Last week I patched a floor section in our 2006 Safari trailer while on the road. I was able to chop out and remove the rotten floor section and then cut a new piece using battery tools. I modified the bed slide that I made in the Tundra out of 80/20 aluminum, and I used the miter saw to make those cuts. And it does run a little bit slower off the Jackery, you can hear it, as compared to house current, but it makes those cuts easily. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Airstream videos. It really will help our channel grow. On a side note, I do want to mention that we are not sponsored by Jackery or Ryobi. We had to buy these with our own money.